Greetings and welcome to the Viking Resources solution demo for equipment maintenance. Why equipment maintenance from Viking Solutions? With Viking Resource Solutions equipment maintenance, users have the potential to connect manufacturing and Viking Resource Solutions EQMS processes to specific equipment used. That means visibility, traceability, and proactive notifications to keep quality, maintenance, and operations in sync and maximizing output. The Viking solution for equipment maintenance focuses on three types of service activities: calibration, maintenance, and accuracy tests. Let's review Viking Resources equipment maintenance solution. From the reminders portlet, we find a couple of reminders related to maintenance. Specifically, let's look at this reminder about equipment needing maintenance. As we look at the list of equipment items that need maintenance, we'll start with this top one. Here we see the blender type V100. We find the name, description, and serial number associated with this piece of equipment. We also find the status. The status can be used in a total quality management environment to assure equipment not maintained is not used to avoid non-compliance. In the maintenance section, we find the types and dates for the next maintenance due. In the manufacturer information section, we find information related to the OEM. In the qualification section, we find information for the IQ, OQ, and PQ, as well as any associated documentation. Notes can be added to any of these sections along the way. Let's now review the maintenance and usage section. In the equipment maintenance events, this provides a comprehensive view of current and historical maintenance activities and the associated status for each of those maintenance events. In the equipment used on work orders, we find associated work orders for this specific piece of equipment. When we open the work order, we find an associated subtab for the equipment used, which again brings us to that reference for blended type V100. If we need to create a maintenance event that was not pre-planned, we can do so where we select the maintenance type, the status associated to that. Each of these lists of values are user-defined or customer-defined. We'll assign the employee to work on this maintenance. That employee will populate any additional information, any notes that need to be maintained, and the completion date to be captured when this maintenance event is completed. Thank you for reviewing the Viking Resources solution for equipment maintenance. Be sure to note some of the other pre-built solutions that Viking Resources has ready to implement for NetSuite customers.